Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix websites saving information about you here in Google Chrome. On the upper right corner, click the three dots. Click Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Click Site Settings. Go to Embedded Content.
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
As you can see, sites can ask to use information they've saved about you. So click Sites are blocked from asking you to use information they've saved about you. So in this way, sites will not be able to save information or data about you. And the downside of this is that you may have to input other details as well, or like your fix the preference each time you visit a website. So these are actually useful. Like if you block this, it's an added layer of security for yourself as well. Thank you and see you in the next video.